Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about the present situation of India-China conflict. As you know, there is a lot of tension going on at the borders of these two countries. And before I start, I would request my new guest to kindly subscribe my channel for latest updates. So remember in my previous video that was published at the beginning of this month, the link I have already shared in the description box. I had already predicted that some kind of tension would start between these two countries during this month, and especially closer to the solar eclipse that happened on 21st June. And it has actually happened so that India has now lost 20 soldiers. So the biggest question that everyone wants to ask now is that whether we will see a war coming up soon. To know this, you need to watch this video till the end. Now, to analyze the situation, we must see the planetary positions in transit now, and then compare it with the individual charts of these two countries, that is India and China. Now presently we know that Saturn and Jupiter both are retrograde in the Capricorn sign. We have Taurus ascendant in India's chart and China's ascendant is Capricorn. Now this is the second Saturn return in Capricorn after 1960-62. Now remember the last India-China war took place in 1962, but the tensions between these countries started in 1960 itself.
Now I am showing you the Saturn's position in the year 1961 when the tensions between the two countries already started before the war of 1962. You can see here both Jupiter and Saturn were retrograde in Capricorn at that time. And now I am showing you the position of both Saturn and Jupiter on 15th June 2020 when the recent India-China face-off happened. Can you see a similarity? Yes, you can. You see here also both Saturn and Jupiter are retrograde and they are in the Capricorn sign again. Both these planets return together in a particular sign only after 60 years.
Astrologically, second Saturn return has got a significant importance as it indicates some kind of renegotiation or recommitment. Some things that you had decided 60 years back, and now is the time to just sit back and rethink about the agreements or past decisions that you had taken. Along with this, we see the Mars position, which is very important in deciding a warlike situation. Now, right now, Mars is in Pisces. Pisces is all about liberation. It is the 12th house. So, Mars from here is aspecting the 6th house for both India and China. And moreover, Mars is aspecting Sun, Rahu, which is the north node of Moon, and Mercury at the same time. And Saturn is aspecting Mars. So this means that there will be a great conflict between these two countries and definitely a warlike situation. So Sun and Mars together, being two powerful planets, can start a fight anytime. But presently Mercury is also present with Sun and it is being retrograde till 10th July. Mercury is a planet of communication. So we can believe that these two countries would go for some bilateral talks to solve this issue diplomatically as of now. But high chances of war will prevail till 15th August. And then at the end of this year, during October to December, there might be some fresh tension again. till next year 2021, our government would face lot of tensions and conflicts from our neighboring countries like Pakistan, China, Nepal and Bhutan. So whatever it is, I wish that nothing serious happens, and I hope for the best, because the ultimate winner should be peace. Alright, so this is all for today. If you have liked my video, then please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Namaskar.